Honey, these things are movie groovy. Oh, child, you better get you some. Let me tell you, you better get you some. I brought it. First off, these are now $1. I don't know if that mattered to you, but honey, I'm just saying. These are gelatin cups. They have collagen, biotin. Collagen for the skin. Biotin is for the nails. Honey, let's get this to go like gel. Honey, this is my third one. Okay, I don't think you're supposed to eat these like that, but
What's that? Can I try some?
so my youngest daughter Amani, she about to try one of these. No, you gotta slurp it out. Slurp it out. Slurp it or toss it back.
It's not coming out.
Alright, look. Hold your head back. Now chew it. How you like it? Oh, you chew it.
Good.
You chewed it? You didn't just swallow
I
it.
did. I
Right?
chewed it.
Okay, how do you like it?
It's alright.
It was alright. Honey, these, they are tea. Honey, when I came to Dollar Tree just to record, honey, they got me on the line, okay, with these hot items. So, these are the stackable bracelets at Dollar Tree. These are $1.25. Now, I had brought mine, the skull hat, and then they had like a little brown going on, like the break of dawn. I heard you want to see the fancies at the tree. I said 1, 2, 3. Did you happen to see the stackable bracelet sets? Oh my honey. These are $1.25 and a place to be. Dina with the heat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Now let me show you the rest of them, honey. So Dollar Tree said they want all the money, okay? These are so cute. Absolutely love this. Now, they also have this bracelet set as well. You get 4 stackable bracelets for $1.25. So when you come to the tree, just make sure you look at the different symbols because they have different ones. Like they have this 8-ball and then a peace sign. They also have the cross over here, and then they have another cross design. When I tell you Dollar Tree is moving their feet to the beat out in these streets, honey, did you guys see the Disney cups? Honey, get into it and do it. They have the Mickey, the Donald Duck. Oh my goodness, this brings back memories. Honey, let us know in the comment section which one was your favorite character. They also have, honey, this is the old Mickey, back in the day Mickey. Now, Dollar Tree also have Winnie the Pooh. He do have a clue. I absolutely love these. And then they also have Stitch. That's definitely gonna put you on the ditch. It is the nostalgia for me at the tree. I tell you, when you come to the tree, you ain't got to think twice. Dollar Tree, you know, Dina the Fabulous MC and a place to be. Now, Dollar Tree have the heat that is guaranteed to have you move your feet out in these streets. Check these items out. When I tell you it is the body in here, miss, the comfy cozy. Honey, they have notes of coconut milk, whipped cream, and cashmere. This is cruelty-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and a vegan. How about that? They also have the purely pistachio. Now, if you don't know, I am a nut type of gal, all right? I like me some pistachios, and I like me some macadamias. Now, this has notes of pistachio cream and pistachio leaf. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, child, golden sand. Notes of caramel, vanilla, toasted macadamia, and nut. These are $1.25. So, of course, I purchased, this is the golden sands. Now, I don't know if you gals know, but they sell golden sands oil from this place. It's like 2 towns over, well, 3 towns over, North New Jersey. If you know, you know. Honey, at the Muslim shop. Now, Dollar Tree, they have this body and hair mist. Let's get this to go like Joe. Now, it has a really nice fragrance, like a scent to it, but it don't smell like the golden sand that I know. Okay, I'm just keeping it funky, Joe. Now, this was $1.25. It's not bad. It's cruelty-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and also vegan from Power Stick. When I tell you Dollar Tree, they want all the heat and they want your coin, 1, 2, 3. It is the Daisy name brand find for me. Now, Daisy is normally sold at places like Target, but Dollar Tree said, let's take it away. They have several of these bath bombs. Check this out. So when it comes to the Daisy, Dollar Tree has the Disco Bath Bomb with Black Orchid scent. They also have Love Me Bath Bomb with Flower Power scent. They also have this one, BRB, with Relaxing Lavender scent. And check this one out. Oh, this is movie groovy with Vanilla Swirl scent. They also have the with Violet and Berry scent, Honey Get Into It Sherbet scent, and Blueberry, and Candy Dream Tutti Frutti scent. Now, these are $1.25 at the tree. Collectible surprise inside, many brands. Ooh, child, I love it. 1, 2, and 3. Looky cookie. You have coleslaw or Fever Blister. Dollar Tree has the heat that's going to have you move your feet out in these streets. Now, you get 12 of these for $1.25. Oh my, what a deal. You want to go like Joe? You need some sanitizer for those hands. You about to eat some chicken. Now, Dollar Tree have these hand sanitizers. These are a dupe of Touchland. Touchland won $20. Dollar Tree said, no way, Jose. These are $1.25. Now, this one is guava. This is $1.25 guava nectar scented, and these are a limited edition. They also have the coconut praline. Oh, child, what a chicken wing. So, I heard you guys was ready for Halloween decor. Oh, even if you're not, Dollar Tree said, honey, we got the heat that's gonna have you definitely move your feet out in these streets. These items are gorgeous, to say the least. Check this. So Dollar Tree has these signs right here. I absolutely love these. Boo, trick or treat they have. They also have Happy Halloween, Come In, My Pretties with the little witch. Oh, child. LED pillar candles that comes in 3 different colors. Orange. They also have the purple. They also have the black. If you guys are looking for mist makers, lighted houses, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have the light up projection buckets over here. These are honey, gonna have you move your feet. If you guys are looking for the LED outdoor rotation projectors, oh, this is kind of stuff. Oh, and looky cookie, the Forbidden Orchid. They have these candles. This smells just like a apple cinnamon. Ooh, honey, that is good. All right, now this one you can smell, but not as strong as this one. They also have this one. Okay, all right. Now this orange one sort of smells just like the black one. All right, and then they also have goose one. Okay, if I'm being honest, this one is like these two. All right, with me. Now, if you guys are looking for some plush throws, Dollar Tree definitely have these plush throws. These are $7. Right? They also have these trays over here. This is definitely fancy pantsy. like Nancy. All right, now absolutely love this. This is really cute. They also have these LED jack-o'-lanterns over here and a place to be. Really fancy, and I want all the tea. Looky cookie, look at these dispensers over here. Yes, absolutely amazing. If you guys are looking to freshen up your laundry, well, Dollar Tree have the travel size Lysol. This is crisp linen, all right? Now, this is supposed to fresh up your laundry. These are $1.50 at the tree. I could assure you that they're not gonna last long. 1, 2, 3. If you guys are doing back to school shopping now, make sure you check out Dollar Tree. Now, for us the northern folks, our children go back to school in September in most cases. Now, let me show you the heat at Dollar Tree. So first off, Dollar Tree has these Centos, these scented notepads. You get 4 of these for $1.25. Centos pens, love these. They have different scents, 6 scented colors like that. Now, also my favorite pens is definitely these. Remember these back in grammar school? Honey, elementary school. Honey, I used to love these. They also have these badge holders. I want candy. If you're looking to be styling and profiling, these pen styles over here. Ooh, child, honey, they ain't playing nor delaying. Now, Dollar Tree also had these mesh pencil cases over here. Now, these are $1.25. They also have the zipper pencil pouch over here as well. Now, these come in several different colors. If you guys are looking for binder pouches, they have them as well. Composition notebooks, of course. Honey, it is the back to school items for me. Honey, they ain't playing. They want all the tea. Now, other items, honey, these scissors, you know, they about the fanciest thing. Honey, cutting in style. I know that's right. Now, Dollar Tree also have these journals over here, pencils, pens, name brand pens, name brand pencils. If you guys are looking for highlighters, they definitely have them. Now, fancy name brand, these zebra pens, a medium point. You get 2 of these for $1.25. Oh, honey, they want all the coins. Now, Dollar Tree also have these pencil sharpeners over here. These are so fancy, pancy, mancy. Look at this. It is the cherries and strawberries for me, like this. They also have the keychain, like that. They also have the scented perfume highlighters as well. You get 2 of those for $1.25. Erasers. Honey, they just got it going on like the break of dawn. This right here is absolutely gorgeous pencil sharpener. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item that you've seen in this haul. Honey, we just got a few items, just movie groovy. Now, my favorite definitely was the stackable bracelets and also the mist, okay? Now, we gonna get this a go like Joe and see if they movie groovy, if they pass or trash. With that being said, make sure you guys are rocking out, believing in yourselves. Keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.